doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already.
I'm a woman who likes options, all 1,500 of them. And with this headband wig, I can become a new woman every single day of the week. The best part is, it only takes a couple of minutes to look this bomb. Before we move on, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the bell button to get notifications when I upload. Today's video was sponsored by Kriyya Hair, and they have sent me this headband wig in a kinky curly 22 inches. I'll be linking everything down below in the description box as usual. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and make these extreme baby hairs. I wanted them a little bit dramatic because my hairline obviously starts from really far back and I haven't got a lot of edges, so I'm gonna just try with the little I have to make them look as cute as possible.
I want you to know I won't let go, even if I could.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and put on this wig cap, but I really wanted my wig cap to be tight so that it could stretch out my eyes a little bit. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting a bubble and just tighten it up. Then I'm gonna adjust the elastic band on the wig to crisscross it. This way it sits and fits on my head perfectly. So I'm gonna put on this wig and I'm gonna use the clip in front and at the back to just secure it so it doesn't move. I love how it's sitting on my head. It fits perfectly on me as well. To be honest, you guys, I am so loving these curls already without even me having to style it. I really like kinky curly because I feel like it just mimics like natural hair for us African, you know, or Afro girls, should I say, like African Caribbean girls. So I'm just playing around with it, and at this point I'm thinking, damn, I really think I want bangs with this. That's why I'm just like, you know, pretending and seeing how that's gonna look out. So I'm just brushing out the curls, but I'm making sure I'm not brushing it out a lot. I'm just basically like touching some parts of it. Now the first that I thought of was an updo. I'm like, you know what, the first style I want to try is to do a half up and half down. Make sure you guys click on Kriyya Hair's link and check out their products. They have sale as well today, so make sure you guys click on the links to check out what they have for you guys and get some money off. So at this point, I'm just basically playing around with the hair to make sure, because it's curly hair, it might be a little bit more difficult to style because of the curls. So I'm just making sure that I keep playing around with it, and then I keep like brushing it and opening it just step by step. So I didn't want to basically open the entire curls out because I know that it was going to be too big. So I'm just choosing a couple of sections that I'm combing out, and it already obviously looks so beautiful without even me putting on any headband. So if you don't want to put on any headband, you can just go ahead and wear the hair just the way it is. If you have edges, lucky for you.
Yeah, but the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something.
So I'm just gonna add this headband to see how it's gonna look, and I think it looked so much better with the headband on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some water as well to just define the curls in case I lost a couple. And voila, this was my first style, and you guys, come on. Really love the fullness of this hair. Look at the back, it's super full. You can obviously go ahead and go a density down if you want. So I'm just gonna switch up the style a little bit and basically just take that half up that I did and put it to the side, and this is what I achieved.
But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
I feel so cute. Look at this. So I'm just gonna take the same half up, half down, and just put it up in a bun.
I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with
I really love how the bun is looking. This was also a really cute style. So I went ahead and added this clear glasses that I got recently, and I just felt, you know what, I'm like, oh my god, this is so pretty. This is basically a look that I would wear to anywhere.
the cut it right.
So I'm just gonna basically go ahead and keep switching styles. Just keep watching and enjoy the different styles that I will be doing with this hair. So for this low ponytail that I want to do, I am going to be using a lace, like a shoelace, because at this point I felt like the hair was too big to use a bubble or an elastic band. So this was so much easier for me to just basically put it up in a ponytail or put it down in a low ponytail. Now for the fringe part, I just wanted to, have like a different style because I feel like I just barely ever wear bangs. So I just went ahead and detangled the hair, just picked a little tiny section in front, and I decided to trim it. But be aware, do not pull the hair while you're trimming it because this curly hair is going to bounce back. And this is the mistake that I did. So the bangs turned out to be a little bit shorter, but it wasn't a problem to fix. I basically just pulled the wig forward so the bangs could come slightly lower. So I wanted to do a bun with the bangs, and this was actually a cute look. This is something that I could rock. Then I switched the bangs with the bun to just a bun. How cool, you guys, how cool. I don't even know how I thought about it. It just happened, but I think that was like such a cool idea. So I just wanted to basically randomly pick a little bit of strings from the bun to just activate it with some hair gel, and that's what I'm doing just right here. And to me, this is so cute when it's like a little bit messy, so it's not looking too perfect. With the head scarf, I just wanted to do a very easy, quick, like if you're in a hurry, if you're rushing, I think this could be for you. Or if you're heading to the gym, maybe the hair is a little bit too full for the gym, but let's say you're just running for an errand, I think this was a really, really nice and quick and easy look to do. Okay, with this step, I wanted to activate the curl because I was wearing the hair without activating the curls. So what I did is I took it off my head and I made sure it was super wet. And you guys, like, wow, just look at that curl pattern. Look at the hair. Like, I fell so much in love with this wig. Like, I can't even explain how soft the curls felt, how nice and easy it was to work with the hair. It wasn't detangling. So I'm going to use this coconut curling milk and I'm gonna apply it to the hair, and it's just to basically help activate the curls even more, and it helps the curls stay. This is what I use and it's one of my favorite products to put on curls. The other thing that I like using as well is hair mousse, and you guys, look at this. Look at the texture of the hair. Like, Kriyya Hair, come on, y'all really did this. Y'all did this. It's the curls for me. And the last style I'm gonna be doing is this little tiny bun on top to just give the hair a little bit of shape. And this was it, guys. 13 looks in one wig. How cool is that? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Make sure you guys click on Kriyya Hair's link and check out their products.
I've been over this for a